Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, check it out. I am so impressed. So this is my second video I've made on the same barbecue, and this time I just decided to do the left-hand side of the lid. You can see it right here compared to the right-hand side. That took me a grand total of 8 minutes. I'm not kidding, and it's really not like that much work. You do have to kind of scrub a little bit, right? You do have to do that, but I'm not pushing hard. It's basically just doing little circles back and forth, trying to go in the same direction as the stainless steel. And they do have some gloves that come with this kit. I probably should be wearing them. I'm not, but it probably would be a good idea. But it does say it's non-toxic, which really was a turn on for me. I really appreciated that. And it works amazingly well. I have some other videos up that I used this on my stainless steel refrigerator, and that rust stayed away for over 2 years. And it came back a tiny little bit, and I reapplied this stuff, took a half an hour to do the whole fridge, and now it's been another 2 years, and it's still totally gone. So absolutely awesome, amazing product right here. I'll put a link down in the description below. This little bottle right here was around 35, 40 bucks. So it's not cheap, and it's not a very big bottle. This has lasted me the whole time though. So you don't have to use very much of it at all. There is a much bigger bottle that they sell though for like 10 bucks more. If I did it again, I'd probably buy the big one. Anyway, I'll put a link down in the description below. You can check it out. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you subscribe to the channel, I sure appreciate it. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. Look at that. Before, after. Amazing. Yay.